Okay, let's start again. Okay. Today, organization. Hi everyone, I am Insunja Microsoft MVP. Today, I would like to share with you about modernize your security operation with Azure Sentinel. Today, organizations are faced with the incredibly difficult task of trying to protect their expanded digital estate from increasing cyber threat. The move to the cloud and a mobile workforce have pushed to the border of your estate beyond the boundary of your physical network. Your data and user and system are everywhere. Meanwhile, the frequency and sophistication of attack are ever growing. Regardless of the size of your organization or the industry, you are a target. This is the challenge that we all struggle with in IT industry, and it's a challenge we at Microsoft think that we can uniquely help with. This creates a significant challenge for your security operation teams who are tasked with defending your extended estate, security data explosion. As your digital estate grows, so does the volume of security data. In fact, 76% of organizations report an increase, and much of it is coming from in the cloud, so bumping into legacy on-premise system with all the deployment and maintenance overhead that come with that. Just does not make a ton of sense. And that volume is just going to keep growing. Data is the field of machine learning model that have become so critical to threat detection. The model needs both more signal and more diverse signal to show up their defense. Enterprise have deployed thousands of security products, each producing large volume of alerts. In isolation, this product may have high false positive rate and poor response prioritization, resulting in deafening alert noise. As a result, organizations report that nearly half of alerts, 44%, are never investigated. Part of the reason for this alert to fall through the crack is a massive shortage in security professionals. A recent report by CSO magazine showed that this global talent shortage will increase to 3.5 million unfilled security jobs by 2021. The cloud can help manage that complexity of the expanding digital estate. It simplifies and makes security easy to manage. Hardening the power of cloud will set your security operation team free of IT work and help them focus on security work with no limit. Next generation of AI and automation in the cloud help to supercharge your work. It will leverage the large-scale intelligence available in the cloud and make it work for you. Let us introduce the Azure Sentinel, our new intelligent cloud-native SIEM, Security Information Event Management. First, meet your defender where they are and deliver instant value. Choose from 100 of built-in dashboard, hunting query analytics playbook, and more. Guided hunting and investigation experience help security analysts of all skill levels get their work done. Of course, Azure Sentinel offers all the extensibility you need to customize and create your own dashboard analytics workbook. And even offer integration with professional grade tools like Jupyter Notebook. Second, enable you to collect, store, and analyze all of your security data with cloud scale and economy. Scale automatically as data volume and compute need grow. Incremental growth or burst during an incident. No infrastructure cost and upfront cost. Only pay as what you use. No infrastructure setup or maintenance. Agility to add data as you need. The third point. Leverage AI and automation as force multiplier for your SOC. Security operation team. Yes, control. Detect threat you may have otherwise missed. Fill alert into actionable prioritize incident to reduce alert fatigue. Apply automation to reduce manual process and speed response. Azure Sentinel delivers an end-to-end solution for security operation. Start with collecting all of your data and getting instant insight into that data via workbook and query. Begin applying analytics that data to find real threat from that sea of data. Hunt through of your data using built-in exploratory query. Use bookmark and live stream tools to track notable events and monitor new activity. Manage and investigate incident using graph and timeline view. Automate investigation and remediation playbook. All of this is powered by a community of security analysts and backed by Microsoft security experts who leverage their vast experience defending Microsoft services to contribute analytic, query, playbook, and more. Let's go. The first one, visibility. One-click integration with Microsoft solution, data connector for growing list of other technology on-premise or cross-cloud, support of standard log format, specialized taxi and graph connector for threat intelligence data, REST API for connecting to cloud solution, proven log analytics perform more than 10 PV of daily data ingestion. Interactive dashboard combine multiple kinds of visualization including graph and map, provide deep insight into a single data source or combining multiple sources, powered by KQL query, making workbook easy to build and customize. Let's go for the analytics. More than 100 built-in alert rules were developed by Microsoft and community security experts. A wizard enables you to create your own analytic rules using KQL query. Threshold can be set to alert when activity level exceeds normal pattern. Correlation event with your threat intelligence and now with Microsoft Intel above Malaysia UI. Microsoft has unparalleled view of evolving threat landscape. Customers can now watch Microsoft UI TI with their network log, match Microsoft indicator are added to the TI table for use like any other indicator. Retrospective look back that match TI against his historical event data and more TI type will be coming soon. Alert can be used to trigger automatic update of playbook. Built-in model offer the benefit of machine learning without the complexity. Microsoft applied proven off-the-shelf machine learning model for identify suspicious login across Microsoft Identity Service to discover malicious access by using transfer learning from existing machine learning model. Azure Sentinel can detect anomalies from a single dataset with accuracy. In addition, we use machine learning technique called fusion to connect data from multiple sources like Azure AD anomalous login and sufficient Office 365 activity to detect 35 different threads that span different points on the tier change. The chart on the right hand side is based on real-life examples that show how Azure Sentinel machine learning models are able to analyze billions of signals to highlight small number of high-severity threats. Simply connect your data and learning begins. Okay, let's go for hunting. Built-in threat hunting query developed by Microsoft and community experts. Run threat hunting query and see the result without prior query experience. Create your own threat hunting query unique to your environment using KQL. Start investigation directly from hunting query. Bookmark enables you to flag notable data for further investigation, annotate and visualize bookmark data in an investigation graph. Add bookmark to enrich existing incident to create new one. Receive notification of new threat-related activity using SIEM. You can now launch the Azure Notebook directly from Azure Sentinel, making it easy to create and execute Jupyter Notebook to analyze your data. Notebook combine live code, graphic visualization, and text, making them valuable tools for threat hunter. Choose from a built-in gallery of notebook developed by Microsoft Security Analyst or import other from GitHub to get started. These notebooks are the same professional trend hunting solution for Microsoft own threat hunter use every day. Hosted in the Azure cloud, so accessible anytime from anywhere. Investigation, workflow, and data can be saved as shareable HTML or JSON document. Query Azure Sentinel data directly in the notebook. Bring external data source such as threat intelligence into your investigation. Support Python, SQL, KQL, or other language. Let's go for incident. Container for alert, event, and bookmark related to a particular security threat. Automatically created from alerts or initiated by security analysts when threat hunting can be assigned to analyze for further investigation and status can be tracked. Analyze can be easily tag incident and add comment, trigger automated playbook from incident. Automatically correlate entity across different data source and alert. Expand the scope of your investigation using built-in exploratory query. View a timeline of related alerts, events, and bookmarks. Click on any node, see detailed information, then deep dive into related entity, user, domain, and more. Automatically detonate URL to speed investigation. Azure Sentinel customer can now use the power of URL detonation to enrich alert and quickly discover threat related to malicious URL. When creating a schedule alert, any URL data in the query can be mapped with a new URL entity type. Whenever an alert containing a URL entity is generated, the map URL will be automatically detonated, and the investigation graph will be immediately enriched with the detonation result, a worthy final URL and screenshot, especially useful for identifying the phishing can be used to quickly access a potential threat. To use these features, make sure you have enabled URL login for your secure web gateway, web proxy firewall, and legacy IDS. You can try these features during the preview at no cost. Azure Sentinel is introducing URL entity. Use alert rules to automatically trigger URL detonation and reach alert with valid final URL and screenshot for phishing site. Automation. Powered by Azure Logic and fully integrated with Azure Sentinel, build automated and scalable playbook that integrate across tools. Choose from a library of samples or create your own using more than 200 plus built-in connector plus generic connector like HTTPS. Trigger a playbook from an alert or incident investigation. Take action today and get started with Azure Sentinel. Then now we go to the demo. How can a daring trader detect suspicious activity in daring traders Azure AD instance? Okay, let's play the demo. Okay, let's play the YouTube. Okay, as you can see, we need to start with Azure Sentinel. Services from the Microsoft dashboard. Microsoft Services, Azure Services. We already create the Azure Sentinel and connect with the workspace. Now we need the data connector. We can connect with Azure Active Directory, and you just connect and automatically connect for you without any of the coding. Then we need to get the Azure activity and configure and select the subscription to connect. And directory identity protection and just select connect. Check again. So that we got two log we need to get from the Azure AD and view in workbook. Okay, that's all for my demo. If you got any question, you can email at the comment at the video video comment at the video, and also you can refer to my blog so that about the Azure security, and also my YouTube channel if you still not follow or subscribe. Remember to subscribe, and here you the Azure resources. Let's check got any question for today for this session. Okay, seems like nobody watch. Okay, that's all for today. Let's go. Okay, thank you for you all today.